It's that time of the year again, and I'm off to Amelia Island for the Werks Reunion. This video and the next two will show my journey. I've flown into Charlotte, North Carolina for the first leg of my journey to meet up with my Porsche mates for the drive down to Amelia. And we'll drive to Charleston, South Carolina in this gorgeous yellow supercharged 911. Yes, supercharged. And then from Charleston to Amelia Island in this epic 718 Boxster Spider. You should subscribe, otherwise you'll miss them. Firstly, being in Charlotte, it would be remiss if we didn't visit Sonderwerks. Sonderwerks is that rare beast of a Porsche shop that does everything. Mechanical work, bodywork, even upholstery. David Van Epps is the owner, so let's join him for a tour. Look at all of that upholstery over there, David.
That's correct. Yeah, right now I can see that we've got a couple of vintage Recaros that we're working on.
Wow.
We're doing, I think we're working on some sport seat conversions. We do some seats where we'll take a standard comfort seat and then we modify the frame and the foam. And
well, that's a really good idea. Hopefully it'll stop people charging $9 grand for original ones.
No, I'd rather, I'll sell mine for $6.
Yeah, exactly. I'll probably buy them for $6 as well.
But we got a lot. So I've got 5 folks here, and that's all they do all day is nothing but Porsche. That's all we do exclusively, Porsche upholstery.
Wow. Let's go and have a look at those seats over there.
You bet. This is a set of original, like the real deal Recaro, first generation Recaros. These were done in vinyl with Pepita. So they look the part, right? They look just like, but if you'd seen these before we started, we had actually had to tear this down and the frames were actually broken. We had to weld these frames back together. We had to add we strip them, we paint them, we make the seat look just like it would have been brand new.
Wow, wow. And you can get them in any kind of color you want, can you?
Sure, yeah, obviously lots of leathers and some vinyl samples up there, and then lots of inserts.
I see a bit of Pasha up there as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
Being a 928 owner.
Always one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's a set we did for a client where we kind of converted a set of, this was actually a set of tombstone seats, so from a mid-80s car. And he didn't want, so we just did some custom work here. He wanted a different sort of top stitch as opposed to the welt cord that goes around the edges. He wanted Alcantara inserts.
Yeah.
Just special stuff. People want unique, special kind of things.
Yeah.
And we're glad to do them. I love working with cool upholstery fabrics. Let me show you another one we're doing.
Yeah.
So, as somebody from the UK, maybe I don't know if you know who Paul Smith is, the designer.
I do, yes.
Of course.
Yeah,
so
wow, that's what this is.
Here are 2 Paul Smith designs. This one is called stripes, metered stripes, I think. And this one, I'm actually going to use to make some seat inserts.
That's really cool, isn't it?
For this car.
For the GT3 RS?
For the GT3 RS and the sport buckets that go in that car, the lightweight carbon buckets. We're going to pop those out and do a Paul Smith insert
really cool.
fabric. Yeah, it's kind of
really cool.
Yeah, I think those colors will look really neat with that kind of gold and the silver. That's a GT silver car.
That's just excellent. I love the creativity and the just the bespoke nature. Now that looks a bit of an evil machine.
This is an evil machine. This is 4.5 years of evil work here. This
is it really?
Being built for a NASCAR driver here in town by the name of Alex Bowman. Alex drives for Hendrick Motorsports.
Wow.
And this started life as a 1990 C2, 964 C2.
Yeah.
And we have obviously taken it back. That is all carbon fiber, legit, real carbon fiber. We actually bought a replacement non-sunroof metal roof, and we drew the mold. We made our own mold for that to do the carbon fiber, right? It all ties into the car here and here. So it's grafted to the car. We cut the other roof out.
So from there up, it's carbon
It's all carbon fiber, and it's all carbon fiber here too, and then we just mask it here to get this nice, sweet little line to make that all look as gorgeous as it does.
And there's no lip there at all.
No, that's just in the paint because it's been cleared over top of that as well. This is a 3.9 liter air-cooled motor with Kinsler intake ITBs. It's got a Lynx engine management system. This car's got every good part you could ever imagine on it. It's an amazing part.
What does it drive like?
I have not even driven it yet, because we literally have just been doing the tune on it. We're taking this down to Amelia Island for the Werks Reunion from Porsche.
That's why I'm here. I'm heading down there with Mark.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, this will be on the show floor for Werks on Friday.
Wow, what a
So
car.
it's going to be, it's quite a beast. GT3 exhaust, Brembo, Olin, just every high-end manufacturer you can think of, we've got it on this car. It's a fabulous piece. We built another one kind of similar for Alex's boss, Jeff Gordon, who is a well-known.
He lives here too, doesn't he?
He lives in the area as well.
Yeah.
Correct.
Wow.
But this one's great. But we do, like I said, we do engine builds. A couple that we're dropping. That one's going back into a car.
Wow. That's a thing of beauty.
This is a motor that we had built. This is kind of a sad story on this car, but we built this motor. Hot rod, little cool car with carbs and the whole 9 yards. We put it back in this car for this guy. He was on his way to take it to his first rally, and he got into a little skirmish with another car that smacked the back end of this car.
Oh no.
Caved this whole part of it in.
Oh no.
After he just spent a lot of money to have us do this motor.
Oh no.
So we got the car back. He obviously got insurance, and we've rebuilt the car now, so the car is no longer smashed, and now the motor's going back in.
And it's a beautiful piece of kit as well,
Yeah,
isn't it?
it's a nice car. It's a nice little fun little rally car.
Yeah.
And we got a lot of that stuff. There's so many great roads here in North Carolina to do this stuff with. It just the drives are phenomenal here.
Yeah.
Great air-cooled community. And I buy and sell cars too, so I'm always helping people connect with cars.
Oh, really cool.
This was a car that a friend sold to him, to my other friend. This car, the white car over here, I have for sale. That's an '87 Targa that's for sale. That slant nose was a car I sold.
I'm guessing this black one here with.
That's actually the black one with the convertible. Yes, that one's mine.
I can
with
tell
the number
because
one
it's
on
got
the back. It's got a dealer plate
Sonderwerks on the back.
Yeah, that's a good. It's a dead giveaway.
It's a pointer, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Wow. And then over here you've got like an engine.
Well,
area.
actually, if we come back here, and I'll show you in the engine area here.
Okay.
Walk back here.
Oh,
We've got motors
where
ready
the
to
surgery
go.
happens.
Exactly, all the surgery. So I got those heat exchangers off of that motor, and that particular motor I want to say is a 3-liter motor from a early '80s Targa.
Okay.
That Gareth, my engine builder, is working on right
building
now.
up again.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So, but we get them with all kinds of interesting stories. We get them to do cool conversions, like this 993, complete color change from a tan interior
Oh wow.
to more Paul Smith.
Look at this.
Paul Smith is getting the treatment here.
Yeah. Wow. And you've done all of this.
Oh yeah. Oh, this whole interior was changed.
Oh, the quality is just lovely. There's no saggy bits of leather
Oh
here.
no. This is one
great
of my pet peeves right here is upholstery shops on
Where it's
upholstery
creased
seats.
and-
It's always creased right
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
Yeah. I love the Paul Smith, and you can see it in front of you. It's that's beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you. If you want, we can take a pause and walk over to the body shop.
Let's do that.
All right.
I see you've got the best Porsche in the world over here.
Oh yeah. Which one would that be?
Well, it is actually known as the best Porsche in the world, and of course that's the Porsche 928.
Oh well, I happen to own one myself. Actually, I own a 1989 C4S myself.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What's he doing to this
Or
one?
S4. This is actually I want to say this car's an '83, and it's just here to do some maintenance work on it. Basic stuff.
Good man.
But we do a lot of transaxle cars. We do those as well.
Yeah.
944s, 928s.
Yeah. Wow.
This here, check this one out. This one's very special. This car's for sale.
This Targa?
It is a Carrera, 2.7 Carrera, 74, one of 236. This car is in Sahara Beige, and it has 23,000 original miles on it.
No way.
Yeah, completely documented, completely a little time capsule inside, as nice as you could be for 23,000 miles.
Look at this.
1974.
Wow. I love the color.
Yeah. It's a
love the
neat
color.
color.
Yeah. Now, you started this business, David,
I
8
did.
years ago.
8 years, yep.
And this
Watch your
was
step
here all along?
No, the building was here, but this wasn't. This has all been added as we went along, and I kind of put 3 businesses together to make Sonderwerks. So I acquired 3 individual businesses, the upholstery shop, a mechanic shop for Porsches, and then the body shop from the guy that we were working with.
Yeah.
Brought them all here to this property, and then built the built the infrastructure that we needed to support it all.
Okay. Wow.
So this is, this is always the dirty part of the business.
The
here.
dustier part.
The dusty
of it.
part.
Yeah,
This is a
944.
very neat 944 turbo with the anniversary package. So it's going back to rose gold.
Oh,
I think
yes.
is the color. Fantastic upholstery on the interior of that one. It's got that studio check and that really neat color combination. So that one's getting painted.
I love the studio check. That's great.
Yeah, it is. It's
Isn't
great.
it nice that people are giving some love to the 944?
It is.
I think they're supercars, especially the turbos.
This particular owner is very happy with this car. He definitely wanted it to be, updated, upgraded.
Studio check with rose
said,
gold.
I said turbo. It may not be a turbo. I don't want to misspeak.
Doesn't
here,
matter,
but
does it? It's
matter.
still lovely.
And again, in here a little bit dirty. There's a few things going on. So this is another 74 that needed a complete floors and all kinds of metal and rust repair on this car. We've been working on this one for probably coming up on a year already just to get this thing back together. You can see all the little individual welds around the bottom there. That whole floor was just Swiss cheese, as well as the rear. And they didn't get fully galvanized until 75, so these earlier cars were really prone to rust.
Yeah, I can see the work that you've done.
Yeah, it still needs to kind of be ground and seam sealed and prepped, but it's getting ready to go. So the next thing.
Painstaking work.
86 that we're doing a value backdate on. And I'll call it value because I made it a deal with this guy who I found in the car, and he just, nothing crazy. He just wanted it to he likes the look of the long hood, as many people do. So we're backdating the front and rear of the car. We're going to paint it. It's going to be, what was the color he picked? I'm sorry, I'm losing my mind. I can't remember, but
is backdating them a difficult thing to do, or is it just a bolt on, bolt off kind of thing?
No, this is not bad. On this particular case, you had to cut this front off.
Oh yeah, you can see in there, can't you?
So this has to be replaced unless you want to do kind of the cheat way, where you have you can adapt a different panel that picks, and then the latch is kind of back here on the car.
Gotcha.
But we don't do that. We cut it and
we'll
weld it the right way, so it's really the way a long hood would have come. Yeah.
Wow. Very cool.
Yeah, and then over here is where we paint. And today, hopefully, there we go. Today we have a beautiful turbo in here.
Look at the color.
Yes. So this is an interesting story. This guy's owned this car for quite a number of years, and he painted the car back in the 80s, that kind of typical pearlescent white that you would have seen in the 80s. But this car is actually, this is its original born-on color here. And
what color is it?
I knew you were going to ask me that. Unfortunately, I want to say it's
Viper green,
light green metallic. It's nothing. It's not like a sexy name or something.
Fabulous color.
But it's a fabulous color, especially on a 930. And the original color is all right here underneath. And so when we started tearing this car down, because he wanted us to repaint it, I said, listen, we got to bring this car back to its original color, because it's going to be worth so much more in its original color, and it's such a great color. So very excited for this.
This is a rather special 930 that we've got here.
It is. A lot of Sonderwerks stuff that went on at Porsche on this. This car was originally delivered to
one of the sultans in the Middle East.
I want to say Qatar or someplace. I could be wrong, because it's actually the colors, and I want to say it maybe is the colors of Qatari flag or whatever.
Like
it is.
And
you can kind of see the Arabic that's here on the stickers and stuff that you don't normally see.
And wood.
But it's really quite an amazing piece.
Wow.
It had been re-upholstered at one point, but I think it's going to get some more love from us while it's here.
Very, very nice.
Yeah, but it's a cool piece.
Wow, David, you have got a business here. And Mark as well, thank you so much for bringing me, where are you? There you are. For bringing me here. I didn't know I was coming here until 10 minutes after I landed in Charlotte, and Mark brought me right here, and David's been kind enough to show me around. Thanks a lot.
My
Really
pleasure,
appreciate it.
my
This is
pleasure.
just a wonderful place. And Sonderwerks, you can find them on the website.
Sure, Sonderwerks,
Sonderwerks.com.
SONDERWERKS.com. Yep.
So take a look
Yep.
on there. Really impressive place, though, I have to say. Thanks
Very
a lot.
good. My pleasure. Thank you.
Next time on the J. Reed Show, we look at a supercharged 911, which puts out just a little bit more power than the standard car. Thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.